If you're wondering whether this Eswaspokuris free AI YouTube title generator is actually worth your time, or just another overhyped tool, stick around because I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before you waste a single click. And trust me, point number 6 can seriously change how you approach your YouTube videos from now on. You can try the software completely free from the first link below. No credit card, no paywall. But here's why that actually matters. Most free AI tools give you 1 or 2 uses before locking the good stuff. This one, you get full access from the start. That's a game changer, especially if you're testing content ideas fast. So here's what I found after diving deep into this AI YouTube title generator as someone who's written hundreds of high converting titles and run real YouTube ads. First, the algorithm is surprisingly strong. It doesn't just spit out basic titles, it understands virality triggers, curiosity, controversy, specificity. You'll see it combine emotion and clarity in a way that actually gets clicked. But here's the thing, it's not perfect. You still need to apply basic title principles like character limits, front-loading keywords, and avoiding clickbait that kills retention. The tool gives you 80% of the way there, but you have to guide it. If you don't know your niche's language, it can feel a little generic. What sets this one apart is how fast it learns from your input. You can tweak the tone, casual, urgent, professional, and it adjusts live. If you've ever used Jasper or Copy.ai, this tool feels lighter and more purpose-built, specifically for YouTube. Now, if you're uploading shorts or long form, this tool adapts. It's not trying to be an all-in-one, it's laser-focused on titles that stop scrolling. For shorts creators especially, it nails that 3 to 5 word punch. For long form, it gives you SEO-friendly options with emotional triggers layered in. And here's something most won't notice. This software is actually tuned to current YouTube trends. It doesn't give you 5-year-old clickbait formulas. It reflects what's performing now. That kind of dynamic updating is rare in free AI tools. But here's what shocked me. If you're using TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even ChatGPT for title ideas, this might replace all of them. Not because it's better at everything, but because it's faster at the one thing that matters, making titles that get clicked. That's the power of specialized AI. And I mentioned earlier, there's one thing that might totally change your process. The tool lets you A/B test title variations with thumbnail prompts before uploading your video. That means you're not guessing anymore. You're testing like a marketer, not a creator, just hoping for views. If you want to try it out yourself, the link is below. And yes, it's completely free right now. I don't know if it'll stay that way. If you want to go further, I've tested over 1,000 AI tools across every category, from content writing to editing to audience research, and I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description below. These are the ones I personally use to grow channels, build funnels, and scale offers. Try this free AI YouTube title generator first, then go check out the rest.